Some animals are our dearest companions. Dogs and cats, hamsters and guinea pigs, parakeets and cockatiels, pet rats and hedgehogs, horses and alpacas, turtles and lizards and aquarium fish, monarch butterflies we raise and release, and many more. These are animals who are with us now, and animals whom we have known and loved in the past who will always be with us in our memories. We are grateful for these animals. Animals who have endured our shortcomings with calm acceptance. Animals who revealed to us something of our humanity. Animals who taught us how to love and be loved. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. Say it with me. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. But animals are not only cute and cuddly companions of solace and delight. Animals are deeply and beautifully wild, living lives completely separate from our human lives. And animals have the capacity to defend and to kill, even the animals we've pronounced tamed. May we always be respectful of the wild ways of animals unknown and known. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. We must also admit the painful reality that some animals suffer needlessly at our hands. There are animals who encounter human cruelty, who are left hungry or maltreated, used for mean-spirited profit. Animals whose habitat has been stolen and built upon without regard for our shared mutual existence. May we work to be able to give thanks for animals without hypocrisy or heartless dominance. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on the earth. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. There also are animals in our daily lives whose labor makes our own lives easier, safer, and more accessible. Animals who work for us and with us, or who lend us their hair, or feathers, or fleece, or milk, or eggs, so that we might be sustained without their loss of life. There are animals whom we raise or hunt, whose lives are sacrificed, that we may eat or cover our bodies. May we work always to have such sacrifice be compassionate and respectful, for we know that now this is mostly not so. May we move ever closer to the ideal of living lightly on the earth, taking only what we must and no more. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. We bless all animals. We bless those we know and love. We bless those unknown to us who have benefited our lives. We bless even the ones who can harm us or have harmed us, affirming with humility their place in the interdependent web of all life of which we are a part. We affirm our human longing that all of us will live in right relationship with all other animals on this earth. May the animals close to us remind us to live out and make real our best intentions as part of the family of all animals, all living things. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. We bless these animals and give thanks for animal companionship in our lives and on this earth. Shalom, blessed be, Ashe, and Amen.